Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a new Google Sheet and immediately build headers: date, name, ID, status, notes. Once done, freeze the header row so you always see it while scrolling. You should also create a clear status list with data validation to force consistent entries. This avoids typos later and lets formulas rely on exact words. Make sure columns are sized for names and ID, and format date column with a consistent date format to prevent parsing errors. You now add automation. Set dropdowns for status and apply conditional formatting so present becomes green and absent red. Visual cues speed review. Next, insert formulas. Use COUNTIF to tally present per student, SumProduct for percentage attendance, and Unique Plus sort to generate a clean roster. Once your formulas are working, protect header and formula ranges to avoid accidental edits. This ensures reliable summaries and keeps raw data editable while preserving calculation. You finish by creating a summary sheet. Use a pivot table or query to show attendance by student, by date, and overall percentage. Once complete, share the file with appropriate permissions. Give editors to co-teachers and viewers to parents. Make a backup copy before major changes. If something goes wrong, first check data validation lists and date formatting, then look for protected range conflicts or broken formulas. Correcting these three usually restores accurate totals and display without rebuilding the sheet from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.